Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Cherokee 256RR-BL. This camper comes in at 30 feet 7 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 7,600 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, you'll notice the diamond plate at the front with the curved metal as well. Underneath, we have lots of storage under here. We'll go ahead and open this up and take a look. You'll notice we have the drop-down shelf here for extra storage. Your solar controller, there's 200 watts of solar already mounted on the roof, and then a battery compartment as well. Over here we have a 12-volt cutoff switch so you can kill all 12-volt power to the battery, and then your switch for the landing legs up here to run those up and down. As we move over to the side, we have your high-gloss gel-coated fiberglass here. We have your LP compartment, 20-pound tank here. There will also be another 20-pound tank on the other side that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Here we're going to have your storage compartment. You'll notice that we have the D-ring tie downs in here. So if you have anything in there you're concerned with moving, you can strap that down as well. We also have a nice bright LED light up here. As we move back, we have your power awning where each leg is adjustable. So if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. We have the nice blue LED accent light, porch light above the door. We have your oversized grab handle to help you in and out. Full-size entrance door. It is the black tempered glass door. It has an integrated window and a full-size screen door as well. Sturdy steps getting in. You got the wolf head emblem cut out here, and the legs are also adjustable, so if you're on different levels of ground, you can keep the steps leveled out there. Outside speakers that light up blue. We have your outside entertainment center where you could just drop your TV in right here. We have your connections right down below. This camper has the adventure package, giving it a 2-inch lift. You have the diamond plate that runs along the bottom and the off-road tires as well. You'll notice the center cap is popped off. They have the quick easy lube axles. All 4 wheels have self-adjusting brakes and this tire pressure monitoring system. How that works is this will turn red on the side if you're low on air. That way you can walk around and just do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. We have your 2 manual jacks in the back here, one on this side and one on the other. And we are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here so the furry family members can tag along as well. In the back, you'll notice we have the patio system all set up for you with the rails going all the way around. It has a drop-down screen wall to help keep the air in and the bugs out. Bright LED light up top. Backup camera is included. And it is also equipped with the moon shade. You'll notice right inside hanging on the wall. That is essentially a large canopy you can set up to protect you from the sunlight outside here. Get some nice shade. Up top, we have your ladder prep. So you can buy a telescoping ladder separately, hook it up there, and get up to the roof for maintenance purposes. There are 2 vents on the camper, so you can get cross ventilation if you're hauling anything with fumes to keep that aired out while traveling. And then underneath, they do put a sewer hose holder, so you can store your sewer hose there when it's not in use. Here we have your water fill station. On the left, we have your fresh water fill. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump, and use that water. Here we have your city water. So if you're at a campground, you hook your water hose up there, and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Down below, we have your outside shower with hot and cold water. It's got the coil hose sprayer. We have your furnace up next here. This is a 50 amp unit, and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Here we have another nice bright LED light over here. Cable connection down below, so if the campground offers that, you can tap right into it. Here we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system, so it's gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. So about 60% more efficient than what we used in the past. Here we have your black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook your water hose up here, and that'll clean out the black tank for you. And here's a look at the other side of that pass-through storage. As you can see, the D-rings go all the way across here. And last but not least, we have your other 20-pound LP tank bottle. And that will conclude our outside walkthrough of the Cherokee 256RR-BL. And now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice the D-rings come all the way up front here. So if you're loading a motorcycle or ATV, you can pull it all the way in. Large pantry over here to the right. Big kitchen. Lots of storage up top. We'll pan around here and take a look. Nice open floor plan back here. We have 2 really large picture windows just inside the door here. And we're going to move up and get started right here. Inside we have your vent for that cross ventilation to keep it aired out as you're traveling. Speaker up top that lights up blue. We also have another subwoofer and speaker on the ceiling here. Overhead storage with the cabinet doors and then some open face storage towards the back. Perfect for your helmets back there. Again, we have these two really large picture windows with the zebra blinds that can be darkened out as they are or partially open to let in some sunlight. And down here, you'll notice these D-rings all the way in the middle, and they're also underneath the dinette towards the back here. With the booth-style dinette, you can lay the table flat and turn it into one large sleeping area, or you could simply pull the backs off of it and have two individual beds there as well. It is a nice large table that you can move out to the patio or take outside. Back here, you'll notice we have the screen wall that you can roll down. That is an interior look. We have your moonshade hanging up in the corner over here. We have a 110 outlet underneath that, emergency exit window that has the blackout screen on it. More storage up top here with the cargo net. Over as we move into the kitchen area, you'll notice all the cabinets up top. We have your range vent that will vent to the outside. Large kitchen window that goes the full length. We have two 110 outlets over here on the left-hand side. Part of the Black Label package is the solid surface countertop. We have your large single bowl sink here. It has several different attachments, as you can see, with the cutting board, a couple different strainers, and the drying rack. And that is a large single bowl farmhouse style sink. Up here we have your soap dispenser on the left, high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer, and your cup rinsing station over on the right-hand side. Down below, you have three storage drawers over to the left and more storage underneath here. We will open that up and take a look. Nice storage under here. Here we have your furnace. Right above that, we have your microwave, which is a convection oven, and air fryer all in one. So nice addition that we have. Up here, we have your 3-burner stove with the glass cover, so you can utilize that as prep space when you are not cooking. Down below, we have your breakers and fuses and your CO2 detector. Here we have your 12-volt refrigerator. We have the freezer on the bottom section, so that will open up, and it has a drawer that will slide back, and then you still have the other freezer section down below. You'll notice this is the dual swing door, so you can open the fridge from either side, left or right-hand side. Again, it is the 12-volt refrigerator. As you can see, it is much deeper than the gas electrics and a lot more efficient. We have the 200-watt solar panel mounted on the roof to help run this while traveling down the road. Up top, we have more storage above the refrigerator. Here's a look at your other interior speaker that lights up blue and your TV connections up on the ceiling. And we have your TV bracket already mounted on the wall. Here we have your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible, so you can sync your phone to it and play music that way. We have this huge walk-in pantry. You'll notice that it goes all the way down to the floor. You have cabinets going all the way up, and then a nice large open storage area up top. Inside here, it's nice and open, perfect place to put your brooms or trash can. And then over here on the right-hand side, you'll notice the same thing, lots of storage, and the cabinets that go all the way down. Lots of great storage here. Now we're going to move up into the hallway area, going up with the bathroom on the left and the bedroom straight ahead. Here we have your main control panel. So that is where you will see how full your tanks are. Turn the water pump on and off. There are 12-volt heating pads on your holding tanks for cold weather camping. Light switches and your awning switch in and out. Up here we have the voltmeter, since we have that 200-watt solar panel on the roof. 2 digital thermostats for the air conditioners. Then you can run those independently as well. Now as we move up front here, we'll take a look at the hallway, get a window here in the hallway, and up in the bedroom you'll notice that nice large window as you go in there as well. And now we'll move into the bathroom. We have storage down below. Part of the Black Label package is the upgraded sink area here. 110 outlet on the wall. We have your medicine cabinet. Lots of great storage in here as well. We'll move over into the bathroom area. We have your skylight above the shower. Part of the Black Label package is also going to be the shower head. You have the rainfall head up top. It still comes equipped with the handle on the side. And as we move down here, you'll notice the 2 extra spray ports down below. We have the shower surround. And down below, you'll notice this is more of a rectangle tub. It is a massive area in here, lots of room in the shower area. Over here, we have the toilet with a furnace duct down below there. Plenty of room on both sides. Here we have your digital thermostat for the on-demand water heater, so you can turn that on and off and adjust the temperature of the water itself. And then we have a light switch right up above that. Next, we have your large exhaust fan. That is a multi-speed vent fan here in the bathroom. And now we'll head back out into the hallway, moving up into the bedroom. Again, you'll notice this really large window on your right-hand side with the nightshade pulled. We have your oversized queen mattress, and the comforter is included as well. Over here, we have the decorative wallboard right in front of the bed. Open storage up top. You got hanging storage on both sides. And the lights up at the top of the bed can be on as a blue accent light or that white reading light as well. Got built-in cubbies on both sides. Over here with this 110 outlet, you'll notice it looks a little bit different. That has a built-in inverter. So as you're traveling down the road, if you pull over to a rest stop, you can hop in and turn that on and have power to that 110 outlet. Up here, you'll notice we have the second AC mounted up in the bedroom. Over here, we have TV connections up on the ceiling. There is a spot to mount a TV bracket on the wall. And we have another window over here. Right in front of that, we get a 110 outlet and 12-volt charge port on this side of the bed. Here we get more storage up top and quite a bit more down below here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And as you can see, there is a washer-dryer prep already in this camper. So we have the outlet is already there, and the water connection is here. It's a little dark inside this cabinet down below here, but it is all there. If you do not need the washer-dryer, there is a bar in there for a lot of extra storage for your clothes and to hang shirts in there. Furnace duct in the bedroom as well. We have this nice sliding door as you go up into the bedroom. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Cherokee 256RR-BL. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.